Now let's get started. So guys, this is the first opening that we have, which is in SOC Analyst. 1 years of experience is required. This is in Kochi. HR@cybersecurity.com is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume, right? By this, sorry for the worst pending. Okay, so this is what exactly they have. Next opening is information security auditor, right? They want someone with 2 to 3 years of experience. Information security auditor, work from office, right? There are key things which is required. ISO 27001 knowledge is also important, and these are also extras, right? And this is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume. Next is junior pen tester and tester cybersecurity. Someone is looking for freshers who should have knowledge about how to pen test the thing. This is mail ID on which you can drop your resume, right? Next is a cybersecurity analyst, work from home. Yes, it's in Bangalore. So they are looking for cybersecurity analyst Bangalore, and full time 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. is the time on which you need to work, right? And this mail ID on which you can drop it. You can see the things they are looking for, and these are the disclaimer, right? They are not hiring directly, they are reposting job requirement from other company to have job seekers assistant. Anyways, whatever you can see here, this is where you need to apply. And guys, like you all know, VIEH is having a training of internship program where you learn about SOC, right? Security Operations Center. So just check out this URL because in next 3 days it will be starting. And guys, in this batch we have a lot of things which is new, right? Next is someone is hiring in Gurgaon, Jaipur. 4 years experience is required basically here, and cybersecurity analyst is the role, and 2 to 4 years of experience is required. And the other preferred certificate which is there, right, that you need to work on, and position is cybersecurity analyst. You can send your resume here, right? And meanwhile, if they are not responding, then probably you can call on this number and ask what exactly going on. And now next is cybersecurity engineer. Chennai, Bangalore, and all those locations is where they are hiring for. And 3+ years of experience required. This is mail ID on which you can drop your resume, right? And apart from this, uh, useful and knowledge about all those things you can see here, right? Next opening is basically L1, L2, L3 engineer immediate joiner. They are the skills which is required. They are the mail IDs, right, on which you can drop your resume. The Pune immediate joining. Next is cybersecurity specialist full time, which is hired. This is mail ID on which you can drop your resume. These are the preferred certificate, right? And they are the key responsibility. You can pause this video and check out. They are the requirement. They are preference, right? What we offer, you can see here. Now, next opening is in big data. Someone is hiring for NOC engineer L1, L2, network engineer L2, L3, network security engineer L2, L3, junior HPC in system engineer, and senior HPC system engineer. This is a mail URL from where you can apply it. That's what we have. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any question, please ask.